Ganyan siya, guys. Hi everybody, this is Richel and I'm back for doing a haul video. So this is not a try-on haul, so this is a haul because I got equipment exercise for my exercise, guys. Kasi nga mag-exercise ako, so I decided to have some equipment for my exercise. So the first one is this from Shein at nakuha ko lang sa this afternoon. So eto, ano bang tawag dito? It's a roller muscle. Yan, pang roll siya, just like that. I will show you. Ganyan siya ng legs. Yan. Muscle. Ganyan siya ng muscle. So, nakatanggal siya ng, nakaka-relax siya, guys. So, this is the first item. So, the second item is this. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, but, yeah, para siya pang, ito color pencil din. Nakita ko siya sa may, nakita ko lang to sa may ano, wala ba, iksi. Para pang my first ba yung pag-exercise, ganyan. So, ginagawa siya, guys. Yan. Just like that. I will show you here, like this. Okay. Nilalagay niya sa paa. Hindi pala, dapat dito pala. 1 minute. I will put here, just like that. And, yeah. Pang ganyan siya. Pang ganyan siya, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Okay. Ay, what namatay? Namatay. So, this is the second item. Yan, may pang exercise na po, guys. I'm so excited to do this. Ganyan. Yan, diba? Nilalagay siya sa paa. Tapos yan. Para my pores. Ganyan. Oh. Okay, we will go to the third item. Yeah, alam mo siguro kung ano to. This is the ayan, roller for yeah. Yung ganito, guys. Get that. So, magkaka-abs na talaga ako dito. Yan. Okay. So, we will try it. Uy, ano kaya yung ganyan lang siya. Just put that one. Put this one. Yes. And this one. And just put like that. Yan. Ganyan. O, diba? May pang ano na to. May pang exercise na tayo. This is only at 200 pesos yet. This is only 200 pesos. Oh, no. So, guys. So, ganyan siya, guys. I will show you. Ganyan siya. Ganyan siya. Yan. Ganyan siya. I will show you. Face your wrong way. No. Ganyan siya, guys. Ganyan siya. Okay? Ganyan siya, guys. So, who wants to? Can't hear you anything. Okay. So that is for today's video. Hope you like this. it's a very nice one. So see you on my next vlog. Bye everyone.